What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Welcome to another Pocket Options Day. Okay, guys, so I've got a new strategy, so I'm gonna try this strategy. This is gonna be my fourth day applying this strategy. Okay, and three out of 3 days, I only had one bad day. Unfortunately, yesterday I had a bad day. So let me go over to my Excel spreadsheet. So the balance that I started with was 900 bucks, and yesterday I lost 19.62. Okay, guys. So as you can see right here, I have updated my balance spreadsheet. Okay, my Excel spreadsheet. Right. So I could see that the starting was 900 bucks and the target is 5% a day. Okay, you might be thinking, well, 5% a day, it's a lot. It's not a lot, if you have the right strategy in place. Okay, so 5% a day and the risk is going to be 3%. Okay, so in order to reach 3%, I want to earn 5%. Okay, so that's the whole idea. And we can see how much we are willing to risk in a trading session. Okay, over here, I decided to add some extra stuff, extra stats for my own benefit. Okay, so according to my strategy, I will be trading on non-OTC pairs, these pairs right here. Okay, and as you can see, they go from 62 all the way to sometimes you get like 90%, 88, etc. Okay, so I decided to establish an average. Over here we can see that it goes from 90, 85, 80, 75, all the way to 60, and then I decided to divide it by 7, which is the figures that we have over here, and the average is 75% payout. Okay, so that means every time I place a trade, the average payout is going to be 75%. Okay, so with a balance of 900 bucks, and if I want to achieve a target of 5% a day, I need to place 14 trades. Okay, so let me rephrase it. I need to win 14 trades. Okay, the max trades that I'm going to apply is 20. Okay, 20 trades, because this strategy that I'm going to use today works 70%. Okay, so if I place 10 trades, I will lose 3. Okay, if I place 20 trades, I'll lose 6. Okay, so if I achieve 14 trades, that means I will achieve my daily target of 5%. Okay, so my rules for this strategy is apply only a max of 20 trades. Okay, regardless if I achieve the daily target or not, 20 trades only, and 0.5% per trade. Okay, 0.5% per trade. So if you multiply 0.5 times 6, that will equal 3%. Okay, so that means if I fail, if I lose 6 trades, all right, so that means I will stop for the day. Okay, so in 20 trades, if I lose, so for example, I'm going to start trading now, and if I lose 6 trades in a row, that means game over. I'm not going to trade anymore for the day. Okay, and at the same time, if I reach 20 trades and if I don't achieve my daily target, I will stop my trading day as well. Okay, so max trades per day for trading session is 20. Okay, so let's go and let's see how this day is going to be. Okay, guys, so I decided to trace some support and resistance, and the strategy is the zigzag strategy. Okay, so I'm gonna start. It's 10:34 UTC time, so let's see how everything goes. So as you can see right here, 0.5% of my total balance. Okay, so if all goes well, okay, we're gonna make, so if you make 5% today, the total balance is gonna be 924. Okay, if we lose 3%, we're gonna be at 853.97. Okay, so let's start this trading session and let's see how it goes. there you have it, guys. So 20 trades. So the trading session, it's over. As you can see, profitable trades. So 70%. That means we scored 14 trades. We lost 6 trades. Okay, that's fine. And the trading profit 24.94. Okay, over here we got 44.02. We haven't reached that yet, so we are 20 bucks behind. So probably this average balance should be a little bit lower. Okay, so I'm gonna test for another 5 days or so, 4 days or so, and then if there is a big discrepancy between the daily target and the actual target, I will then lower this percentage to make it more realistic. Okay, but yeah, essentially that's that. So the balance is 905.32. So we're gonna go actually we're gonna come over here and we see 24.94, 24.94. I'm gonna say yes, and then from here this will add plus this one. Okay, right on. So this one plus this one equals this one. Is it? Hold on. Okay, that's done. I had it wrong. So because we started with 900s and then on the day one, which is day two over here, I need to change it all this. We lost a 19.62. So we started it on a day two with 880, and then we made 24.94, which is 905.32. So if you come over here, 905.32, that's correct. Okay, so on the next trading session, okay, so if everything goes well, so probably I'm gonna adjust this average to, I'm gonna lower to like 65 or 70, okay, just to make it more realistic. Okay, but you know, overall it was a good day, I can say. So we're supposed to make 44 or 45, 44, and we made 24, so that means we are 20 bucks short. So probably we made about 2.75%, something like that. Okay, but yes, and also I would like to mention that as we go along, I had to change my strategy because it wasn't working, as you could see. So I have to readjust my strategy, and in the end, it worked out well. So just last two trades that, you know, didn't go as expected, but you know, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.